Laser welding. Laser welding or laser beam welding, LBW, is a process that uses a concentrated heat source in the form of a laser to melt the materials. Operating costs are lower. High production. Types of laser beam welding. Heat conduction welding. A focused laser beam is used to melt the surface of the base materials. When the joint solidifies, a precise and smooth weld seam is produced. The quality is great out of the box. Deep penetration/keyhole welding. Deep penetration mode creates deep, narrow welds with uniform structure. For metals, power densities of about 1 megawatt per square centimeter are applied. Laser beam welding process. Laser with high power density to apply heat to a joint between the surface of two metals. The material melts at the joint, and it permits fusion between the metals as it solidifies. Gas laser. CO2. A CO2 laser source is a mixture of gases with CO2 being the main component alongside nitrogen and helium. These lasers can operate in a continuous or pulsed mode at a low current and high voltage to excite the gas molecules. Solid-state laser. Solid-state lasers use diode-pumped solid-state technology to pump ore such as ruby, glass or yttrium, aluminium, and garnet, or yttrium vanadate crystal with a laser diode to produce laser rays. The pulsed mode produces joints similar to spot welds but with complete penetration. Fiber laser. Fiber lasers are the newer type of solid-state lasers that offer more power, better quality and safer operation. In fiber lasers, the laser beam is created when the fiber absorbs raw light from the pump laser diodes. Advantages of laser welding. Great quality thanks to low heat input and precise laser power control. The process is fast, which allows for low unit costs. Great welding depth resulting in high strength welds. Allows welding material combinations that other methods can't join. The simple welding equipment allows welding under special conditions. Laser hybrid welding. Laser hybrid welding combines the concepts of electric arc and laser beam. MIG augmented welding, often synonymous with laser hybrid welding. TIG augmented welding. Plasma arc augmented welding. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.